تريبلوتي السماء فوقنا سبيروس كيون اسمي حياة اسمي السماء فوقنا سبيروس كيون اسمي is vried og nyvalja styrta och rikroja skjøt du åren garen vart 3 år larm och skrik ta dem med sig färren grav let den jag ska dag du bara pratat hier mas ni arbesalja non jag skjunen torja bjusok for seg skjøn var bjusmargasa nystrell skile braktat billin malla en honjord nach myrna rif glädes av rid och nyfalja störta och rikroja och du har en garen vart 3 hjärt larm och rik ta dem med käffaren rollen tiden kutnar jag ska dag du bara pratat You know, life can be unpredictable sometimes. You never know where you might find yourself. I wanted to express these feelings through a song. Here's Where I Roam. So
So we had a great time recording this. We worked with a green screen, which is a very COVID-friendly way of working, and they helped us get really creative. So we hope you like what we did.
she the boy, she called it come out again. She the boy, Polly the shorty, Polly she pushed it on water for shot again. She the boy, she the boy, she the boy, she called it come out again. She the boy, Polly the shorty, Polly she pushed it on water for shot again. Massen to boss, massen to boss, massen to boss, called it come out again. Massen to boss, massen to boss, massen to boss, she called it come out again. She the boy, she the boy, she the boy, she called it come out again. She the boy, her body was shorty, called she pushed it on water for shot again. Scottish go boss, Scottish go boss, Scottish go boss, Scottish gun butchers go, Scottish go boss, Scottish go boss, Scottish go boss, and butchers gun Moxie go. She the war boy, she the war boy, she the war boy, she called it for nothing. She the war boy, her was the shorty, called it she pushed it or water for shot again. Massen to boss, massen to boss, massen to boss, call it for nothing. Massen to boss, massen to boss, massen to boss, and she called it for nothing. She the war boy, she the war boy, she the war boy, she called it for nothing. She the war boy, her mother the shorty, called it she pushed it or water for shot again. Massen to boss, massen to boss, massen to boss, call it for nothing. Massen to boss, massen to boss, massen to boss, she called it for nothing. She the war boy, she the war boy, she the war boy, she called it for nothing. She the war boy, her body was shorty, called she pushed it for water for shot. She the war boy, she the war boy, she the war boy, she called it for nothing. She the war boy, she called it for
That's a good man. Howdy everyone, my name is Niamh and I'm here in Dublin on the quays in Usher Quay, right beside the Guinness Storehouse, and I'm delighted to sing you a few songs for Milwaukee Irish Fest. It's a real pleasure to be with you here, even though we're online. It doesn't matter, it's still really cool to connect with you this way. So this song is called How About That Coffee. So how about the coffee? Well, maybe later, 'cause I feel we don't have the time just to kill anymore. And are you still singing? Writing in the afternoons. I don't know if you know I'm married, having a baby soon. So how about the coffee? You tell me how you really doing. 'Cause I'm sure you've some stories you could tell. He said call if you want to, right if you feel you weren't a vagrant, really stay in touch. No, you're never gonna fall back in love. I mean, call if you want to, right if you feel you were never going to really stay in touch. No, we were never really in love. So how about that coffee? Tell me how you're really doing. I heard your father pass, I didn't know whether to write or to call. Maggie left your brother and he's doing better than before. I follow you on every platform, I know it's score. It's just been a while busy, it's been like nothing before, nothing before. So how about the coffee? Well, maybe later, 'cause I feel we don't have the time just to kill anymore, just to kill anymore. Kiss me in your bed again. Touch my warm skin. Don't tell me what you're thinking of. And don't you tell me where we stand. I'm old enough to know by now. Can't do it all on my own. folks. So I'm going to finish up here on the piano and with a song called Two Seagulls, and I'm going to bring you to my favourite pub, which is just around the corner, and it's called Brazen Head. I'm sure some of you already know it, and if you don't, you should absolutely go and check it out. So the song is called Two Seagulls, and then we'll pack up and go over there. Where we find ourselves on the other side of this road, when silence falls down like the sheet between us, I can't hear what you're saying. I cannot hear what you're saying. And time was not the hammer we thought it was. It hit from the inside and it bled from the skin, patiently waiting. Are we patiently waiting? And I hope we hold hands once again and rewrite the pages we left. I can't hear what you're saying. I cannot hear what you're saying. And when I saw two seagulls against the grey sky, they flew to the top, not a care in their sights. And it reminds me of us in a bubble of love. And it reminds me of us in a bubble of trust. So this song is very new and it's called Happy Again. So I'm really delighted to share it with all of you. No matter what time you get, won't be enough to make something of yourself. You're working hard and keeping track till the language changes from if to when you become happy again in the skin that you're in, and with the time you will spend. Oh, how did you go? Days after weeks without talking to me. No matter what, you've been working hard, never home, and not sleeping well. Come back in. Well, don't you know you are my honey? Don't you know you are the worry? Don't you know how you become you could go home while the light's still on, the light's still on. When you come happy again, happy again, you become happy again, you become happy again in the skin that you're in and the time you spend. Oh, how did you go? Days and weeks without talking to me. Here we go. And I was out walking when I heard two men talking. There was something in the air. No, I knew it wasn't right, but there was something so inviting to a broken heart which is trying to recall what we had to find. And I was out walking when I heard your voice talking. I knew it was in my head. No, I knew it'd be okay, 'cause there's something so inviting to this broken heart which is trying to recall what we had. If I could freeze frame every moment, if I could freeze that frame every moment with you, 'cause I was lucky enough to have you, and I was lucky enough to have known you. I was lucky enough just a little bit more of your time. I will surely be fine. And I was out walking when I heard your voice talking. I knew it was my head. No, I knew it'd be okay, 'cause there's something so inviting to this broken heart which is trying to go what we had. If I could freeze frame every moment, if I could freeze the frame every moment with you, 'cause I was lucky enough to have it, and I was lucky enough to have known you. I was lucky enough, just a little bit more of your time, just a little bit more of your time. I'll surely be fine. Thanks, everybody.
Okay, the last song I'm going to sing to you today from the oldest pub in Dublin, in Ireland, I believe, the Brazen Head, is called Save the Day. And I might bring you back to my apartment after this because it might be a little bit quieter to record. So here we go, Save the Day. That sounded very strange.
What's the matter with the time I keep
it runs circles around me all day. Why can't I complete a task and feel good at the end of the day? Why don't you turn the TV off and go out and see that sun on your face? I can't explain the lump in my chest that pulls me down, pushes you away. And I told you I was doing just fine this way. There's no need to worry that way. I'm doing it for you, I'm doing it for the kids' sake. I wish I could save the day. What's the matter with mercy? It doesn't call around here no more. No quick fixes knocking at your door. No quick fix coming soon. And I told you I would take what they told me to take, even if it means I can't feel my face. I'm doing it for you, doing it for the kids' sake. I wish I could save the day. Told you I was doing fine this way, on my own way. I wish I could save the day, but I can't. I wish I could save the day, but I can't. What was the name of that movie star you used to hang above your bed? And which superpower did you wish for before you started wishing you were dead? Why can't you remember the good old days? Why can't you remember me? The sting from the nettle, you let me nurse with some dark leaves. And don't I wish that I could help you just like that today? To have an answer, to hold some faith, but some sadness just feels this way. When you lose sight of your fortune, when you lose sight of your fortune. Told you I was doing fine this way, on my own way. I wish I could save the day, but I can't. I wish I could save the day, but I can't. So it's been a real pleasure singing you songs. We're now in the third location, the Blue Room. And I'll sing you another song. Telling secrets through second-hand smoke, holding hands till the lights come back on. I wish I could talk to you like this every day. And hold tight, change is gonna come. You're turning up and turning it on. Give it your all so we can go home again. And there you were, singing an old song. You were singing to no one. You were everything we thought was important doesn't matter. No, these lovers, they'll figure it out someday. No, always trouble figuring it out some way. 'Cause she's constantly trying to piece it together, paint a big smile, the family's together. Oh, you don't wanna go and I don't wanna because this will be my last song. Just a massive thank you to Milwaukee Irish Festival for having me. It's been a real pleasure sharing these songs with you, and hopefully we'll see each other in the not so distant future. And if you want to give me a follow on the Instagram, Facebook and all that jazz, I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, this song is called Sweetest Drop.
Little
Thieves of passion on the highway, lovers of the twilight hour, raiders of destiny and divine chemistry, you and me. Thieves of passion on the highway, lovers of the twilight hour, raiders of destiny and divine chemistry, you and me. And I won't bleed my days with jealousy if you have chose someone but me. But you can spark all the flames that you desire. I just can't get you out of my mind. Thieves of passion on the highway, lovers of the twilight hour, raiders of destiny and divine chemistry, you and me. You and me, you and me. Well, I'm not on a highway to Milwaukee, that's for sure, but I am here in the beautiful Lake District of Ireland, County Cavan. Once known, once known as the ancient land of Breffni. And I am delighted and very excited to be here today to perform some original songs for the Milwaukee Irish Music Festival. Absolutely.
Yay, Milwaukee!
So give it up for Milwaukee.
Yeah! All right.
And original songs, all written on a great adventure I had in the US a good few years ago now, but all songs celebrating the shadows and the sunshine and the great roller coaster that life is. So we're going to crack into a song called Fog City Buckaroos. It's about my adventures in San Francisco. So hanging out with friends, getting a buzz off the characters we met on the street, playing music in the subway, and all the good things that come with adventuring during the summer in San Francisco. So here it is, Fog City Buckaroos. Watch the sunset glisten on the ocean bay, and a melon moon slice catch its lone ray.
Everybody make the light shine bright with love.
Mesmerized by Jupiter and Venus, broken thoughts of Baudelaire, Wilde and Beckett.
Hey buddy, may your light shine bright with love.
Travel free and travel wild. Don't be a slave to honor. If a heart needs to fly, let it fly. Took a boat to Alcatraz, an ode to Al Capone, walked the Golden Gate, talked the whole way home.
Hey buddy, may your light shine bright with love.
With a biscoff breakfast and a bagel belly, Chocolate Mountain close to Ghirardelli.
Hey buddy, may your light shine bright with love.
Travel free and travel wild. Don't be a slave to honor. If a heart needs to fly, let it fly. She's the tramp on mission, he's a steampunk, laughing at the naked man in the Castro.
Everybody may your light shine bright with love.
Fell asleep in cable cars, left in metaphors, criticized the lives we knew not of.
Everybody may your light shine bright with love.
Travel free and travel wild. Don't be a slave to honor. If a heart needs to fly, let it fly. Sang for supper on the evening subway, made just enough to catch a whiskey daydream.
Everybody may your light shine bright with love.
He smokes a corn pipe quicker than a lovesick papa. He can read your worried mind, truth and wonder find.
Everybody may your light shine bright with love.
Travel free and travel wild. Don't be a slave to honor. If a heart needs to fly, let it fly. Travel free and travel wild. Don't be a slave to honor. If a heart needs to fly, let it fly. Buckaroos and magic vagabonds of life. I'll never find another quite like you to shine with.
Everybody may your light shine bright with love.
Buckaroos, the magic vagabonds of life. I'll never find another quite like you to shine with.
Everybody may your light shine bright with love.
Travel free and travel wild. Don't be a slave to honor. If a heart needs to fly, let it fly. Buckaroos, the magic vagabonds of life. I'll never find another quite like you to shine with.
Everybody may your light shine bright with love.
Buckaroos, the magic vagabonds of life. I'll never find another quite like you to shine with. Hey, buddy, may your light shine bright with. A one, two, three. Good stuff. Well done, lads. Alrighty indeed. Well, why are we here on this little island? I think there's a man here who might be able to tell us.
Why are we here?
Yes.
This is a great question.
Why are we here? Can you explain to the good people of Milwaukee, Ireland and around the world, anywhere in between, why we're sitting here on an old broken down stalk of a tree, singing songs on this island?
Well, I don't know. I suppose when a man and a woman really love each other, there's a great story about this island and a stone that was on the island. Supposedly, back in the day, it was a thing to have floating stones in monasteries and stuff like that. And there was a floating stone here.
Ah, sure, a bit louder. I can't hear you over here.
Excuse me. There was a floating stone on this island.
A floating stone?
A floating stone.
That's impossible, Dara.
Well, you see, it's a volcanic stone and it's kind of porous, so it does kind of float on the water. And there's a saint associated with this island as well. And he was supposedly born and then put in the stone and floated across the island to be baptized into the Holy Roman Catholic Church. And then he became a saint. And the said said floating stone was also broken by two lovers, supposedly, who were totally in the throes of passion.
Were they like wide-waisted lovers or not so wide-waisted?
I don't know. I think this is about 1,500 years ago, so it's kind of hard to tell how well fed they were. But anyway, they were on the boat on the way to the island, and passion just suddenly overtook them.
On the stone.
Whatever they got up to on this stone in the boat, the stone cracked. One half came to the island, one half came to the shore there.
They had the floating stone in a floating boat.
In a floating boat, I know, and they were getting it on the floating stone.
No place better to do it, isn't that right? And tell me this, I did hear of another legend about the infamous magical clay associated with St. Mogu's Island. Is there a man amongst us here that can tell the good people of Milwaukee?
We have an expert.
What this clay is all about?
I know. This many people come to this island still currently to collect some of the clay and bring it to their home, because if you have some of St. Mogu's Island clay in your home, it will never burn down, and that is the truth.
Wow.
Famously,
science.
Because one person came to this island, took some of the clay, and they took it on the Titanic, and on that infamous journey, and they survived entirely because they had some of St. Mogu's Island clay in their back pocket.
Very good. Bring the clay with you wherever you travel, land or sea. All journeymen and women, get some of that clay. Well, now, my good people across the world, we're going to offer the next song up to the less fortunate of us in the world, those that are going through rough times. This is a song called Shine Light, and we're going to get the mighty Liam McCabe with his infamous lap gadget here to take us off into the cosmos, to help us to shine even more light on us today. We're blessed as it is with the sunshine, by the way. So this is Shine Light. From? Where do you roam? Have you got no companion to walk with you home? Are you cold? Are you hungry? Well, I sing you a song. Will you tell me your tale as we travel? How long do you look like your father? Do you walk with his stride? Do you match his resemblance? Do you care to deny? Were you born in the country? Were you raised in the town? Inside are you smiling or wearing a frown? Oh, 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 oh. Give alms, give alms, give alms, give alms. Shine a light, shine a light, shine light. Give alms, give alms, give alms, give alms. Shine a light, shine a light, shine light. With regard to the universe, where do you stand? With a life after death I could do with a hand. Have you thoughts in infinity, atoms in space? If you have all the answers, I'll receive them with grace. just a few dark steps away from scraps and bones and nothing. We're all just a few dark steps away from scraps and bones and nothing. Give Shine light, 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 shine light. There we go.
Lovely, Larry. Beautiful song.
Well, time passes by so fast when you're enjoying yourself, especially if you're sitting on a tree trunk
With Larry Beau.
on an island, in cabin, sending songs for the beautiful people in Milwaukee. Thank you again. It's an absolute pleasure for us to be performing original songs for you for the Milwaukee Irish Music Festival. Please give it up for local legends, Dara Slack,
Thank you,
Liam
guys.
McCabe, Alan Darcy, and Cormac McCann. And we have a missing minstrel. She couldn't quite make it. Her car broke down on the motorway. So in her absentee, give it up for belter of a singer, right from the soul, Miss Clara Rose Monaghan. Okay.
Yay! Clara Rose.
Yes, indeed, yeah. So it's farewell to Milwaukee. Milwaukee indeed. What about Milwaukee? Milwaukee.
Beer, women,
Nice.
The
sunshine.
Bucks.
The Mighty Bucks.
The Mighty Bucks. I got a Milwaukee Kango.
Very good, Al. I hope you can stand by those promises. And of course, let's not forget the flamboyant, incredible Liberace. Beautiful and over too soon. Thank you, Maestro. Well, it's time for us to bid you all farewell, not before we thank Cavan Arts for helping us out, supporting us this evening to get onto this island. And for me, it's the first time, so it's been an amazing experience. Thank you, local legends. And now we're going to send you off with a song called Roll Right Into Your Arms. Okay? So it's a song I wrote hoping that all my misendeavours in life would be forgiven by anyone close to me. Hopefully, at least. Yeah. So here it is. Roll right into your arms. We sing it for you. It's been a pleasure. All the best. you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. As soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. I'm depressed by life, I'm a traitor to joy. I feel sorrow from night until day. I've the blues so blue, since you went away I could die. I'm an aging rake, soon over the hill. I'm a washed up tramp of the road. But as soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. I sleep till the evening, I don't care what they say. If I'm lazy, I'm my kind of guy. There's a bliss on the road to demise, I've got nothing to hide. 'Cause I came from nothing, and to nothing I'll go. In the ether I'll ramble and roll. But as soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. As soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. I'm a hickory hick, I'm a fop with no gall. I can't tell my brain from my balls. I've the moustache of a cowboy, the curls of a girl about town. I've slept with the sirens, the princes and boors. I've snuggled with Jessie the Roo. But as soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. As soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. I have no honor or reason or pride. I run with the hare and the hound. I'm a turncoat, shape-shifting, opportunistic flaneur. I've lived a life of worry, but I don't care no more. I'm as cool as the cats on the street. But as soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. As soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. Take it away! Come on, rip it up! As soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. As soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. I'm a romance junkie, an emotional whore. I'm a slave to sex and desire. All my low base virtues I have on display to the world. At the end of the night I give good loving to all, but inside I'm as numb as a bone. But as soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. As soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. As soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your arms. As soon as you come back, my baby, I'll roll right into your Cara Slack, Lee McCabe, Alan Darcy, Cormac McCann, and an absentee, Clara Rose.
And don't forget, give it up for Larry Beau.
Give it up for him. So, good evening.
Bring us
Fare
to
thee well.
Milwaukee.
Milwaukee.
Come to us, come visit us in the Lake District
No,
of
take
Ireland,
us to
okay?
you. It's easy.
Thank you, Milwaukee Irish Music Festival. Right here this evening, we love you all. Fare thee well.
Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.
Harry was a pilgrim traveling through the dreams of passion days and fashion nights. A dance for every season, a kiss for every harlot, naked in the pale moonlight. A vagabond of fortune, a pauper of the lost world, master of each step he takes. On the ocean wide he maps a complex mind, struggling with the storms of life. Blue moon, don't forsake me, guide me, mystery. I've many, many miles to go. Always travel lightly, burdened with the question, where to go and what's to come. A pocket full of wishes, a galaxy of hope, spirit of the wanderer. Sat beneath the beech tree, golden bed of echoes, crisping in the summer sun. Private Casanova, serenading silence, waiting for a husk to fall. Blue moon, don't forsake me, guide me, mystery. I've many, many miles to go. Forsake me, guide me, mystery. I've many, many miles to go. A phoenix from the ashes, a ghost of reinvention, sailing from the trails of woe. I'll pay my bills tomorrow, live my dreams today. I don't know any other way. Blue moon, don't forsake me, guide me, mystery. I've many, many miles to go. Blue moon, don't forsake me, guide me, mystery. I've many, many miles to go. Blue moon, don't forsake me, guide me, mystery. I've many, many miles to go. I've many, many miles to go. I've many, many miles to go. I've many, many miles to go.
Hello, Milwaukee Irish Fest. My name is Aoife Scott. I'm very delighted to be here performing for you today. I am absolutely over the moon. Thank you so much to Milwaukee Irish Fest, to all the volunteers, and to Temple Bar TradFest, and also to Culture Ireland for letting us be here today. Here to my left, I have the gorgeous Mr. Andy Meany here about to play some songs. And also to my right, I have the gorgeous Carlo Curran about to play some songs. So we will play some songs for you. We hope you like this one. There's something in my nature that moves my very bones, that makes me seek adventure far from my native home. I've come across the water, travelled many miles, saved money for some paper that lets me stay a while. I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. Those came before me built towers to the sky, but never judge a cover built in those different times. I know about hard labor, I've worked hard all my life, but when I'm over stateside, I am who I decide. I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. I'm a bargain fancy, I've changed up all my style. The only way you'd know me is I have my father's smile. I know about hard labor, I've worked hard all my life, but when I'm over stateside, I am who I decide. I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. I've crushed ice in Savannah, wore shades in LA, made coffee in Manhattan. I'm Irish born and raised. So we're going to sing a song for you now that I got from the singing of Frank Hart, and it was written by a man called Dominic Bean, and it's a song about all the men that went to England and built all the roads and all the buildings and had a very hard time of it. It's one of my favourite songs to sing in the whole wide world. I hope you like it. This is called Building Up and Tearing England Down. I have won a hero's name with McAlpine and Costain, with Fitzpatrick Murphy's Ash and the Wimpy's gang. I've been often on the road, on me way to draw the dough, when there's nothing left to do for Johnny Lang. Now I used to think that God built the mixer picking hard, so the paddy might know hell above the ground. I've had gangers big and tough tell me tear it all out rough when you're building up and tearing England down. In a tunnel underground, a young Limerick man was found. He was built into the new Victoria line. When the bonus gang had passed, sticking to the concrete cast was the face of little Charlie Joe Devine. Oh, the ganger man Megger, oh, Big Paddy hates the world. When the gas main burst and he flew off the ground. Oh, they said, don't slack, I'll not be there until I'm back. Keep on building up and tearing England down. I was on the Hydro Dam on the day that Jack McCann, he got his better of his stammer in a wee. He fell from the shuttering dam, and that poor old stuttering man, he was never ever more inclined to speak. And I saw old Balls McCall from the big flyover fall into a concrete mixer spinning round. Though it wasn't his intent, he got a fine head of cement when he's building up and tearing England down. I remember Carrier Jack with the hod upon his back, how he swore one day he'd set the world on fire. Well, his face you've never seen since his shovel it could clean to the middle of the big high-tension wire. Oh, no more like Robin Hood will he roam through Cricklewood, dance around the pubs in Camden Town. Oh, but let no man complain, for no Pat will die in shame when he's building up and tearing England down. So come on, you navvies bold, who do think that English gold is just waiting to be taken from each side? Oh, the likes of you and me will never get to know B.E. or a knighthood for good service to the heart. They have a concrete master race who will keep you in your place, and a ganger man to kick you to the ground. If you ever try to take part of what the bosses make when you're building up and tearing England down, keep on building up and tearing England down. This song is off my first album, and it's the first song I ever wrote, and it's written with my friend and co-writer Enda Riley, and it's about a place which is in Dublin. It's called the South Wall, and it's one of the most beautiful places, I think, in the world, although I know there's a lot of competition there. But really it's an amazing place. And my dad used to bring us down on his bike. He put me on the front crossbar and my brother on the back bike, and we'd cycle all the way down to this place. And my dad called it the Shelly Banks. So yeah, I was so blown away by finding it again when I became an adult that I wanted to write a song about it. So I hope you like it. This is called Down by the Shelly Banks. Oh, crane lifter lifted stones from the water, built these walls long ago. I went walking, dropped a penny in the south wall, keeps us safe from the storms. The sea is green with envy of the camp in the harbor as she crashes on the shore, where I give thanks down by So take me there. Heaven's swooping over. Come down to greet me. Won't let me trip and fall. I own the coastline from Hoke up to Braehead as the lovely Liffey flows. The sea is green with envy of the calm in the harbour as she crashes on the shore, where I give thanks down by the shelly banks, scream my cares to the bay. I need those lighthouse lamps down by the shelly banks, green and red they guide my way. So take me there when my trouble drag me down, and I don't know why. I will bring my bag of worries, throw them through the tide. The sea is green with envy of the camp in the harbour as she crashes on the shore, where I give thanks down by the shelly banks, scream my cares to the bay. I need those lighthouse lamps down by the shelly banks, green and red they guide my way, where I give thanks down by the shelly banks, scream my cares to the bay. I need those lighthouse lamps down by the shelly banks, green and red they guide my way. So take me there today. We're going to sing a song now that is written by a friend of ours called Barry Kerr. And it was written about 12 years ago when Ireland had to be, the banks were bailed out by the Irish people, and it was a very tough time for the Irish people during the recession. So we, it was very tough for everybody, and there was a lot of homeless problems, and there still is a lot of homeless crisis, a lot of mental health crisis, and a lot of issues right now. But he wrote this song from the point of view of asking the patriots of 1916 to come back and help us fight the greedy bankers who want to take everybody's houses and take their livelihoods away from them. So I hope you like it. This is called Ireland's Hour of Need. Come all you gallant heroes, wherever you have been, offspring of this nation, so few and far between. You who did the fighting when our backs were to the wall, in our hour of need did stand and bleed and rally to her call. In this troubled time upon us, we are once more in your quest. Evil has surrounded us and eaten us with debt. The government, like a bag of snakes, has poisoned us with greed and sold us off to the IMF, for the monster needs a feed. Now these bankers and politicians have no worries like you and me. Fat cats and their pensions live lives so full sold their souls for gas and gold. They're coming for you next. Rise up again, shake off the chains and the noose around your neck. Now our patriots who went before must be turning in their grave. The vision that they live for is such a better place. James Connolly, rise up your soul and lift us from this hell. And please ask the brave sons of 16 to come back and fight as well. So come all you gallant heroes, wherever you may be, offspring of this nation, so few and far between. You who did the fighting when our backs were to the wall, in our hour of need you'd stand and plead and rally to her call. In our hour of need you'd stand and plead and rally to her call. We're going to sing our latest song for you now. This is a song written for friends of ours, but also written during the lockdown, the first lockdown. And it was written from the point of view of, waiting for things to get better. And we were very hopeful for October. And I think that October and the autumn or the fall is my favourite time of year. It's when everything is renewed and we can start again. And so that's what this song is all about. I hope you like it. It's called Sweet October. West Clare roads, where you know they feed the soul. Stop a while where the water meets the stone. Take a breath, you can almost taste the sea. It's a half-hour drive down towards Kilkee. And come, sweet October, all this will come together. All the things you'll ever hope for, sunsets in sweet October skies. Yesterday, oh, I thought I read your mind. From Amsterdam and to the Alpine skies. All those times you think deserve a smile will come again if you give a little time. And come, sweet October, all this will come together. All the things you'll ever hope for, sunsets in sweet October skies. We won't even mind the rain. It'll be a perfect day. Give it all, and you give more than most. But the western breeze, it always gives you hope. Ease your mind for better dreams tonight. West Clare roads in the evening light. And come, sweet October, all this will come together. All the things you'll ever hope for, sunsets in sweet October. And come, sweet October, all this will come together. all the things you'll ever hope for. Sunsets in sweet October skies. We won't even mind the rain. It'll be a perfect day. We won't even mind the rain. It'll be a perfect day. Okay, we're going to do something different now, and we're going to play you a set of tunes. This is a set of reels, so hope you enjoy it. Song is the title track of our last album, which was just came out in 2020, and it's all about being at home and our beautiful place in County Kildare. Myself and himself, my fella Andy, live in County Kildare, and we wrote this song. Well, I wrote this song with Enda Riley, and we wrote this song about how beautiful and how lucky we are to have a home, because not that many people have homes, and I think I was just feeling very grateful for a beautiful house in the countryside with all the birds, and me trying to make friends with them all the birds. So for anybody who doesn't know, a homebird is somebody who's like a homebody. So and that's what we were at the time. Now, a year and a half later, after being at home, we definitely want to hit the road and not be homebirds anymore. But I hope you like this song anyway. This is called Homebird. Swallows flying low, see them follow seasons flow, how they dance as they go through the rusty gate where the fields of barley grow, go from grey to brown to green then gold. Whole birds are waiting for me. Light's getting older, the barley grows golder as far as I can see. The secrets of trees whisper and breathe, they're watching over, safe under cover, the homebirds and me, the homebirds and me. lie by Heron's Lake and think of nothing for the day till the pheasant scares away. The home birds and breed built their nests among the trees. It's a place for us to rest and breathe. The home birds are waiting for me. As the light's getting older, the barley grows golder as far as I can see. The secrets of trees whisper and breathe. They're watching over us, safe under cover, the home birds and me. The secrets of trees whisper and breathe. They're watching over, safe under cover, the home birds and me. Home birds and me. Home birds and me. Home birds and me. The home birds and me. The home birds and me. Thanks so much, everybody. We're going to finish off now. I want to say thank you so much to Milwaukee Irish Fest, Culture Ireland, and to Temple Bar TradFest for having us. We're going to finish off with this one. We hope you like it. When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. I'm 60 years in Nova Scotia, waiting for the day that we're returning homeward. All along the wild Atlantic way. When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. Remember when we went to Bombay, the shipwreck in the bay? We sat and watched the north and west sunset all along the wild Atlantic way. The time that we climbed Croagh Patrick, we nearly went astray. Our legs were aching, falling off us all along the wild Atlantic way. When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. The time that we went skinny dipping down a Derry, smelling Galway salted ocean all along the wild Atlantic way. The time that we met Willie Clancy piping in Hull Bay, we sang and danced till the early morning all along the wild Atlantic way. When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. And watch you catch the fish near Dingle as Kirk's roadway. Wait for you with the half-light gloaming all along the wild Atlantic way. Cycling out to the black ball head, skin salty from the spray. The ocean looming out beyond us all along the wild Atlantic way. When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? all along the wild Atlantic way. When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. When will you bring me my love? I'm counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us here. I hope you enjoyed our songs. We're going to finish off with this little sneaky set at the end of our songs here. And we're going to introduce you to these beautiful men that are performing with me. Ladies and gentlemen, can I introduce you? On my left, playing guitar, he is the best looking fella on the stage. Well, he'd want to be the best looking fella, but he's also the most beautiful man in the world. He's my fella. Yes, he is, ladies and gentlemen. It's Andy Meany. And what can we say here to my right, ladies and gentlemen, from the best place in the entire world, not only Ireland, not only the world, but the universe, as he says so himself. He's all the way from County Donegal. He's from Gweedore, Gorta Hork, Gweedore, County Donegal. I just gave you his address. He is amazing fiddle player, bouzouki player, singer and performer. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Cathal O'Curran.